Okay, on number 8, crisscross it. When I multiply, what do I want? Oh, first question I should always be asking myself. Sorry, guys. What's my first question that I should always ask? What? Thank you. Very good. I just didn't hear. Does it have a GCF? And this does not have a GCF. So, what number goes on top? -20. What number goes down below? -1. So what two numbers multiply to -20 but add to -1? -5 and 4. So we're going to keep the 10p squared. We're going to do -5p plus 4p minus 2. Again, you may have switched the order on that, and that is fine. You're going to get the same answer, just in a different manner. What's my GCF of 10p squared minus 5p? Awesome, 5p. When I take out 5p, what am I left with? 2p minus 1. Awesome. What's my GCF of the second set? When I take that out, what am I left with? Perfect. Two answers, 5p plus 2, 2p minus 1. Okay? Number 9. Can I GCF that? No. So what number goes on top? Negative what? -72. Good. What number goes on bottom? Perfect. What two numbers multiply to -72 but add to -6? Good, guys. 9z squared minus 12z plus 6z minus 8. Group, 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 group. Tennyson, are you with us? What's my GCF of the first set? What's my GCF of the first set, guys? How much? 3z. What do I have left? 3z minus 4. Second set, what's my GCF? What do I have left? Awesome. Two answers, 3z plus 2, 3z minus 4. Any questions? All right, number 10. Can I GCF? Crisscross it. When I multiply, what do I want? When I add, what do I want? Two numbers that multiply to 12 but add to 8. What'd you say? Yeah? 6 and 2. 4a squared plus 6a plus 2a plus 3. Group, 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 group. GCF of the first set? Yep. What do I have left? GCF of the second set. What do I have left? 2a plus 3, right? Answer, 2a plus 1, 2a plus 3. How are we doing there? Good. What do I want for you to do? See where it says warm up 2 pages away? I want for you to try that page. There's essentially one of each types of problems that we've done this unit. So it is this page. Number 1, what is my GCF first off of 6 and 18? What's the biggest thing that goes into 6 that also goes into 18? 6. 3 x's here, 1 x here, so what's the largest number I could take out? X. 2 y's, 3 y's, what's the largest number I could take out? Good. 1 z, 2 z's, how many can I take out? Z. Just because we're going to write what we have left over. I didn't really ask you to do that, and that's fine. But if I had 6x to the third y squared z, and I take this out, what am I left with? Anything else? No, that's all. We're going to say plus. 18 divided by 6 is what, guys? 3. I had an x and I took an x out. Do I have any x's left? I had 3 y's and I took 2 out. How many y's do I have left? I had 2 z's and I took 1 out. What do I have left? There we go. Okay, factor number 2. Can I GCF it? No. So crisscross it. 1 times 24 is just what? So 24 when I multiply, what do I want when I add? So what 2 numbers multiply to 24 but add to negative 10? So negative 12 and 2. Good. Yes. Negative 12 times a positive 2, though, would give us a negative 24. It does give us the negative 10 when we add, but it gives us a negative 24 and we want a positive 24. This is the easier factoring one, right? X minus 6, x minus 4. Okay, questions? All right, number 3. Can I GCF it? Yeah, what can I take out? What am I left with when I take out that 3? There we go. Crisscross it. When I multiply, I want? When I add, I want? What 2 numbers multiply to 3, but add to negative 4? There we go. So this is just 3 out front. Don't forget that 3 out front. X minus 3, x minus 1. Number 4. Can I GCF that guy? No. Crisscross it. What's 20 times 3? When I add, what do I want? Yep. 2 numbers that multiply to 60 but add to 17. 12 and 5. Split the middle. 20x squared plus 12x plus 5x plus 3. Group, 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 group. GCF of the first set is what? What do I have left? GCF of the second set. 4x plus 1, 5x plus 3. Oops, you can't see that. Questions on that, guys? Any questions? Okay. You are going to be working on a Schoology assignment at this point. Let me make sure it's in there. I don't know. Yep. It's not in there quite yet, so give me a second. It is going to be called 3.6 factoring when a does not equal 1.